friends, in today's video I'll show you guys how to make a slit skirt out of an old overused black dupatta. So this is the dupatta that I have. It's of Georgette fabric and the length of the fabric is 2.25 meters and the width of the fabric is 45 inches. Since it's kind of opaque, I'll be using crepe lining underneath. I have taken around 2 meters of this. If you don't want slit in your skirt, you can always stitch it up and add a zip so that it becomes your modest skirt. Make sure you use a flowy fabric so that it falls really well. This is very easy and beginner friendly. I'm going to take the dupatta and hold it on top of me. I will be making a high-waisted skirt, so I'm just going to hold it where I want it and then mark the length of it. Once I'm done with the marking, I'm gonna cut it over here and the remaining part will be used to make a belt later. And then I folded the fabric twice so that it's easy for cutting. First we're gonna finish the edges. So I'll be double folding the edge and stitching it all the way till the down. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. This is on the width of the fabric. Now on the length of the fabric, we're going to put 2 basting stitches over here. Basting stitch is nothing but the longest stitch available on your sewing machine. So make sure it is on the longest stitch. Make sure while you're starting the stitches, don't back stitch it or basically don't lock it because we'll be pulling these threads to create gathers. So I'll be left with 4 threads. So you're going to take one from the above stitch and one from the below stitch and hold it together and start pulling the fabric. So basically you're creating gathers. So I'm just gonna put this on the machine so that it becomes easy for me to gather it. This part of the skirt making is very satisfying. It's like the orgasm of sewing. As you go, keep rotating the thread over there. Start but fell off. I'm done with it. I'm gonna remove the thread. Don't cut the thread at this point and adjust it according to your waist size. So as you can see, it's just overlapping a bit, not too much, because if you overlap it too much then it will not look like a slit skirt. So you're gonna overlap it just a little bit. Once you align it properly, you can tie a knot with this thread so that it doesn't move. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the lining as well. I'll first fold the edge with double fold and then stitch it on both the side and then create gather over here. And then I'm gonna align the main fabric with the lining fabric and then pin it up. And now I'm gonna stitch wherever I have pinned. Once that's done, I remove the extra fabric from the lining. Now I'm gonna finish the edges of the skirt, both the lining and the main fabric. And then I measured the waist of the fabric. Mine came up to 31 inches. So I've cut out the lining fabric with length 31 inches and width of 4 inch. I've also cut out Georgette fabric as well. And then I ironed the fusing to the lining fabric. And then I aligned the main fabric with the lining fabric, and then I'm going to put stitches on 4 sides of the belt. this is the right side of the fabric, this is the wrong side of the belt. I'm gonna fold the starting of it and then place it over here and then pin it up. I'm gonna pin it all the way around and then put up a stitch over here. So now that the belt is attached, we are gonna reverse it. And then I folded the belt and pinned it up. And then I pinned it all the way down and stitched it. And then I marked where the hook and eye has to be attached and then stitched it up. The outcome came just like the way I expected it. Also, I have attached a press button near my thigh so that the slit is not too high when I walk.